Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to use this model Qwen Image edit Subgraphed using an image as input, write your prompt and get the output. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the ComfyUI, go right here and run it. Okay, now let's go to the place. Wanna use this model. Okay, text video, and use this one. Okay, this model is Qwen Image edit Subgraphed model. This missing model is you must download this. You have to use this model. Okay, you can download it from here by clicking this button, download, and downloading is begin. Or you can copy URL and open the EDM Internet Download Manager and add URL right here and click start download. Then the downloading is begin. For me, I already download those files. Okay, see, let's put it one by one. Okay, let's go down right here. Add new tag. Here go to downloads. Now in the ComfyUI folder, we have to go here to ComfyUI after search for models. And let's put those files. Okay, the first one is Qwen Image VIE. In the VIE. What is VIE? Models image this one. Put right here. Second one, text encoder, Qwen 2.5. Go to models. Qwen 2.5. This is the text encoder. Let's return right here. Diffusion model Qwen image edit. Diffusion models. Search for Qwen model edit. Not lightning. Okay, this one. FP8. And the final one. LoRa's Qwen models 4 steps. Let's search for LoRa's and boom, the final one. Okay, I think the first step is done. Now let's move to the second. Roll the page and let's see. Okay, how to use this model? You have to put your image right here and the Qwen model edit. With the prompt, you can change any you want. As you can see, you can change the background of the image or placing something or changing character in the image. Okay, let's make this and let's see what's different. Okay, I want to use this image for test. Okay, let's see. I want to use this image. This letter go. Okay, I want to change it, this background to sci-fi background using this prompt that I get from ChatGPT. Okay, and let's see what's happening and the result. As you can see, it's changed the image completely, and the prompt not change the person remain the same, but here the result is not good. Okay, this is a test of this model. Thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.